Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create or make a YouTube thumbnail. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video or for our creation for the thumbnail, we will use a tool that is called Canva. So basically, all you need to do is to go to your browser and just type Canva, and it will take you to this first website and click on it. And basically here we want to create design. Basically, Canva is only a design uh, creator. So we are just going to create a design, and here you can see multiple type of suggested designs, and we need just to look for a YouTube story or a YouTube thumbnail. So just type YouTube, and here you can see the YouTube thumbnail size. We click on this size, and basically you can find multiple designs. So either you can start create if you have like some knowledge in design or you have some creativity and some ideas, you can just create your own design from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you can start like taking ideas or just like collecting ideas from these templates, and then you can start like adding your own images. For example, instead of that guy, you can start like adding your own image to avoid any conflicts or copywriting or anything else. And also you can like take ideas from these templates. And basically all you need to do is to add your own text, your own things. For example, how to create a thumbnail, and that's it. So basically, after that, you will need just to click on share, you download, make sure you download as a PNG, the size should stay the same, download, and bam, you have your own thumbnail, and then you can add it to your video. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.